This gorgeous, like-new construction has remarkable quality from top to bottom. Located near parks, Happy Valley Grade and Middle School, and numerous shopping options, it's in a fantastic neighborhood. The great room floor plan features an abundance of natural light, updated flooring and carpet in 2019, and a flowing design. The fabulous kitchen features quartz counters, a large island, gas cooktop, stainless steel appliances, and a large pantry. Just off the entry is an office or den with a closet. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious primary ensuite with a soaking tub, double sinks, large shower, and a walk-in closet. This home of more than 2,600 square feet has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, with updated interior paint and central AC. Plus a bonus room with a built-in bar and a closet. The beautifully landscaped backyard includes a separate fenced area for the dog, a covered patio, sun deck, and garden beds. The 3-car tandem garage includes extra storage and a 240 and 120-volt car charger. All this in a well-maintained Happy Valley School District neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.